It's our second day reading this book, and currently we are in chapter 10, and we're gonna try to finish the book before this month ends. So we're up to date with our goal, finishing one book per month. Then after we read in about an hour or two, or before we go home, we're gonna go for our daily walk.